Welcome. The goal here is to create this part that you see, and we're just going to use, it has to be 100% accurate. There's nothing inside, nothing on the back side. You don't have to put the text in, but basically you have to model this with the fewest amount of features on the tree as it states here in red. So let's begin. Start a new part. Go to, click on here and go to extrude. And we can use the center rectangle tool, double middle click twice, and go ahead and change these dimensions to according to the print, which are 3.5 by 6.5. You're going to have to extrude this a ½ inch, 0.5, and then also add draft, or in this case taper, and according to the print it is 12 degrees. So it might be actually minus 12. Okay, now that we have that, we can mirror that across. Go to the mirror tool, so in order to get the mirror tool, you have to click on the extrude. The mirror tool will appear. Go ahead and select that. And the face you want to mirror across is this bottom face. Hit the green check. You now have the base. Now you can select this face, go to extrude, and put in the features. And I'm not going to put all the dimensions in here. You need to use the print, as this is a test. But what I would recommend is put in the 3 buttonholes and make sure you locate them with dimensions according to the print. And remember, you could do this just by clicking on the centers to the edge and the middle click. And according to this, that offset needs to be 0.644. And you could do that to the other sides as well. All right, and then don't forget to put in the speaker, and again, add the dimensions according to the print. This has to be located as well, and make sure you use the dimensions. Like, I think this is 2.5, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, 2.5. All right, but put the rest of the dimensions in. Don't forget to put those in. Okay, now you could just go ahead and extrude those. And the height is typical, 0.125. Look at where the radiuses are, and there's fillets. You'll see the radius 0.125 all the way around. And just make sure you select the edges of all these. Oops, accidentally got a face there. So I'm going to control to deselect it and select the edge. There we go. All right, put in the cut around, just go to extrude on this face, and you use the offset entities. So go to offset, and you can go ahead and select these edges. Actually, if we hold shift, you can select all the way around. And the first one, offset here, if we look at the print, and again, mine's cut off at the bottom, so you can't see it, but it should show in the lower corners here, and they're about 0.125 off the edge. And let me just get in here. Okay, and I'm having a little bit of a challenge because I had to get that dimension. I'm going to cancel out. Let's try that again. Offset. Hold shift, select this edge, and then, oh, let's set it right away. So 0.125. Hold shift and select the edge. Oh, and there it goes again. Just make sure you get this in here, and if you actually hover over this, the dimension should appear. Type 1.125. hit enter, and you can see your offset. Hit the green check 2 times. All right, we want to make another offset from there. So again, we could go to offset, select this, and it should remember 0.125, so you could just hit enter again. Now you have the offset. You could hit OK. It's going to try and extrude that. Make sure that you drag it down. It should start to cut, but the depth here is actually just 0.125. You'll see 0.125 beep and enter. And there you have it. You can see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 features. There's the holes. I'm going to let you put those in and complete that. And then what you do is just make sure you do a Windows key Shift and S and give me the feature tree as well as the block, the part, and you could go ahead and paste that into a document or whatever you want. And that's it.